Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so spark plugs for this little diva. Old school down at home in the garage because I can get the car to our garage. So I need to do it right here and right now. So and I hope it will work. It's kind of tricky to reach them because they're really deep and there is a lot of space inside there, but not for a wrench. There's a hose and cables. Come on. Oh. That sucks a little bit, but yeah, it is what it is. So this is the first one, the trailing one, from the second rotor. Wait. Because yeah, that's dark, that's oil on it, burned oil, and it's a little bit wet. So then leading trailing back there, can you see? Yeah, there's all four. The second, it's under there, behind the engine mounting. So yeah, it's really deep. So it's no point. To film it because I can't make light and wrench it and yeah, you know. Yeah, look at this one. This is bad too. Burned oil, completely dark. It doesn't look good. And now the light is out. Now it's much darker, but who cares? So let's check the numbers on it. Leading 8, yes, nice. I mean, focus. I mean, that's clear. Which one? Yeah, that's not good too. Not so bad like the first one, but not the best one. Now it's out. Yeah, it doesn't look too good. Yeah. So, finish line. So let's check this. Let's check this out. Yeah, the battery is good. It started really hard. I'm gonna push it a little bit. No, nothing. Maybe? I'm not sure, but no. It sounds so weird. No power, nothing. Man, why? What I can imagine is maybe the coils. I mean, they are new, but yeah, maybe. Okay, I think I will leave it now, and we'll get the coils and the another cables from the garage, and then we'll make another update. After them, I changed it, and hopefully it will work. I think it's a pretty honest moment now, because normally you see in YouTube videos that everything is working, everything is fine and good, but today is nothing working. Exhaust on the Kia, now the spark plugs in the RX-8, so yeah. This is the life with cars. Sometimes it's working, sometimes not, but it is what it is. You need to deal with it if you want to do this. So, yeah. Close the day like this, it's not fine, but never give up, and we will continue it tomorrow, I think. Yeah. So, ladies and gentlemen, take 2. Yesterday we stopped with the new spark plugs and it's not working. So now I'm gonna take out maybe all the cables, because I have the old ones here. Then yeah, there's a lot of stuff from the car. The old cables, and it's the bracket, and this is the whole LS2. The whole LS2 help. In the moment I can remember the name of these things. Sorry. So, and I'm gonna try them, because they should work. Ignition coils. Damn. Now, so I'm gonna get out the old or the current Ignition coils, put the old LS2 coils in to see if it's work or not, and I hope they work. So here we go, but the problem is now that I need to get all out, put the old ones in, and put everything together to start it. So yeah, it sucks a little bit, but it is what it is. So it's running again. It was the correct coil. Now it's the old LS2 coils in it, but it runs so smooth. Yeah, it's really cool. Now I'm going to drive a little bit to get the car really warm, and yeah, enjoy it. So it's a win for today, and tomorrow is a meet. I hope I will get it because I have a lot to do tomorrow, but yeah, I hope it will work. But I'm happy that the car working again. So, ladies and gentlemen, today is Mazda time because I ordered something for the Mazda and now it's here. I ordered a cage or a club sport cage, so it's not a full cage, in white. And now it's here, so I'm gonna mount it in the car. So there is it, and there is the big one. So it's really easy, just connect these pieces and then put it in the car. So probably put it in the car and then connect it. So the cage is inside the car and I made another small update. Red lights in the car, if you open the door, it looks really sick. And this is how the cage looks like. The seat position is not too good for me because I'm 180, but I have a smaller X. Maybe I will try it with it, but it looks sick, and with the red light inside it, it's really sick. Damn. So now the Mazda have a cage and cool red lights, but yeah, I think during the winter we will figure it out with this, with the position and with another X to make it more comfortable, because now it's very small place to drive, and like clutch and stuff, it's not too good, but we will figure it out, I'm sure. So ladies and gentlemen, it's probably end of the season. It's raining outside now and the Mazda is sleeping. Before a couple days I took the plate down, as you can see. Now it's time for the winter sleep for the car, and yeah, just some little things about this car and what we did this year. I mean, it was a really cool season. I did 3000 kilometers with this car without any problems, and yeah, I'm really proud of it because we made the engine of the car and now it's working pretty well. And yeah, it was fun, it was cool to drive this car, and it was fun to, yeah, just to have it and drive it. And now the bad weather is coming, and we have very much salt on the streets at winter, so I don't want to drive this car at winter. I don't want rust, so yeah. I cleaned it properly and now it's sleeping. I took the battery out, so. And just a few things. Update to the cage. I put it in, I drove the car with it, and it's not really comfortable. So it's possible to drive, but it's not comfortable. So I will mount the cage when I go to meets and will drive it so, but not the whole time, because it's not really comfortable to drive it with the cage, because I'm just too tall for this. This is one, and one problem what I had with this car in this season was just the plugs, what you probably already saw in this video. Aftermarket plugs, just cheap plugs, so they didn't handle the heat of the engine very well, so it's cracked and now it's not working, so yeah. But I put the old LS2 plugs in it and now it's running super. So yeah, probably it's the last video for this year with this car. And next year I want to film more with this car, go to more meets with this car, because this year I missed a lot. It was a pretty busy season, but I want more, and definitely we're gonna have more next year. And yeah, now the problem is we are without project, because it's ready, it's fine, but not really. But I don't want to spoiler too much, but we have a project for this winter. Yep. So I think it's enough. Then, yeah, it's not too much to say now. It was really cool. It was a cool summer with this car, but now it's over. We are going further. We have a new car, and next week should have played on it. But I don't, yeah. If you follow me on Instagram, and I hope you follow me, then you already saw this car. But I didn't show it in video. Yeah, I think a surprise again. So yes, I bought another car, and it will be probably the next video. But for now, it's just say good night or good winter to this car, and yeah, we will see. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.